In the next set of video tutorials, you can learn how to reinforce 3D model in Allplan. But first, let's learn how to input grids in Allplan. In many cases, grid can be very useful while modeling. It is advised to keep the grid in separate drawing file so you can easily turn it on or off. Command for grid is under Draft, Design, Axis Grid. After running the command, in Palette window you can define all the settings. In Format part you can define the layer. Keep it as it is. Then there are settings specially for X direction, specially for Y direction and for Z direction. If you hover mouse over blue info symbol, you can read detailed description how to input, repeat and separate the distances. So, for X direction, input 973, then 2 times 820, then 993. Keep the angle at 90 degrees. Change the projection top bottom to 100. This option defines how long the axis will be extended after intersection of the axis. For Y direction, input 693, then 217.5 and 680.5. Keep the angle at 0 degrees. Next, change the projection left-right to 100. Leave the Z direction as it is, because we won't need a 3D grid. In the Label tab, you can see all the text parameters. Choose border as circle. For X direction, we can set the numbering to A, B, etc. and start with the letter A. Orientation from left to right. And position above, below. For Y direction, we can set the numbering to 1, 2, etc. and start with the number 1. Orientation from bottom to top and position left, right. You can define these settings according to your need. Define the custom labeling and change all the settings afterwards. Now you must choose the insertion point. To be exact, you can insert it in the midpoint of concrete layer of the wall. You can right-click on a desired location and from the drop-down menu choose the option midpoint. This way, Allplan will select the midpoint of the defined distance. Once the grid is placed, you can make additional changes. Select axis C. Then a window appears with commands Move, Rotate, Add Axis and Delete Axis. If you choose Rotate, you need to input an angle of rotation or free point of rotation by clicking somewhere in the plane view. You can enter an angle of -5 degrees. You can also quickly add axis. Just click on the command and select the point where axis will be inserted or input the value in the pop-up window. Allplan will change all the labels accordingly. Now you can return axis C to the original position, vertical. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video tutorial.